Redrafting lines. We know it's true. Okay, you know what? Let's just do it. Hey guys, and welcome back. This is Franck, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Today I'm going to show you two methods for drafting lines. And so, without further ado, the first is by using the x and y-intercept. This is a useful method when the equation of a line is given to you in a general form, ax plus bx plus c equals 0. Now, if I give you an example here, let's say we had 2x plus 3y minus 18 equals to 0. The first thing we need to do here in order to draft this is to find 2 points because the line is completely defined by 2 points. So the easiest 2 points to figure out here are going to be our x and y intercept. So first, to figure out our y-intercept, all we need to do is replace x by 0. And so we're going to have 2 in parentheses 0 plus 3y minus 18 equals to 0. So if you solve for y here, we're going to get 3y equals 18, which gives us y equals 6. So what this means is that our y-intercept is going to be the point of coordinate 0, 6. Next intercept to find is the x1. And so to find the x-intercept, all you have to do is replace y by 0. And so you're going to have 2x plus 3 in parentheses 0 minus 18 equals to 0. And so solving for x here is going to give us 2x equals to 18. And finally, we're going to get x equals 9, which means that our x-intercept is the point of coordinate 9, 0. And so with that out of the way, all we have to do is draw a plane like this one, so we can plug our 2 points in and be done. And so I'm going to have the y-intercept here, 0, 6 right here, and I'm going to have the x-intercept right here, 9, 0. And so once I have these two, I can simply connect them with a straight line, and I will be done. And so this particular line here represents the draft for the equation 2x plus 3y minus 18 equals 0. And you are done. All right, and so the second method you can use to draft the equation of a line is by using the y-intercept and the slope. And this is perfect when your line is given to you in a slope-intercept form, meaning y equals mx plus b. And so let me take the same example that I had before, 2x plus 3y minus 18 equals to 0. So if you wanted to do this using the point slope intercept form or using the y-intercept and the slope to draft the equation of a line, the first thing we would have to do is rewrite this in y equals mx plus b form. So I'm going to go ahead and do negative 2 on both sides and also plus 18 on both sides. What I'm going to get then is going to be 3y equals to negative 2x plus 18. Divide both sides by 3, and you get y equals to negative 2 over 3x plus 6. All right, so from this particular form of our equation, you can clearly see that m, our slope, the rise of a run, is going to be equal to negative 2 divided by 3, which means here that the rise is going to be negative 2 and the run is going to be 3. And our y-intercept point is going to be the point of coordinate 0, 6, simply because b in y equals mx plus b here happens to be 6. Now that you have that, to draft your equation, all you have to do is start with the y-intercept. So I'm going to put it here at 0, 6. And then the next thing you should do here is very important. You're going to use the slope to determine the next point on the line. And so since the rise is negative 2, that means you're going to have to go down by 2. And for every drop by 2, you're going to have to go to the right 3 steps because that's the value of your run. And so we're going to have to go here 2 down to land at 4. And then we're going to go 3 to the right. And so we're going to end up at the point 3, 4. And so from here, you can stop and draw your line, but I'm just going to go and show you how to find more points. So from this particular point that we just found, we can go down by 2 again and move to the right by 3 to get to the point 6, 2. And then we can go down by 2 again and move to the right by 3 to get to the point 9, 0. So you can do this indefinitely to find as many points as you wish for your particular draft. And so once you have enough points, you can go ahead and draw a straight line connecting those points, and that draft is going to represent the equation of your line, y equals to negative 2 over 3x plus 6. And you should be done. Next time I want to show you how to find the equations of lines that are parallel or perpendicular to any given line. If you want a copy of this particular note, check out the descriptions below. And if you love the way I break down the material, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.